Well, guys, I just got the date for the move. I have a lot of luggage now. But I'm gonna wait for my mom to come home. So I'm gonna wait for my mom to come home. I'll put the stuff here in the fridge. The really store. This is the stuff. This is where we always put our stuff. When we like take from the stores that are like. I'm going to my bed right now. I'm gonna go watch TikTok and then because of our camping trip. Guys, I think it's the 3 p.m. So we'll sit down. Yes, come in. It's my mom. So I bought us some stuff. It's so we're gonna do a zero. I'm gonna go get the stuff and then we can do it now, Mom. Guys, I couldn't buy the shoes because we couldn't do it at times. So oh, you like this? No, I'm gonna show you guys the like accessories. So I bought me this big, like kind of like this big, and it's cute. It's very cute. Got some sprays and more perfume and a cute. This is like the accessory of the bag. It comes here. Like it is cute. Like accessory. Yeah, that's all what we got for accessories. So now we're gonna try on the clothes. We're gonna go first. We are gonna show. No, we're gonna put it on first, and then we're gonna go back to if there's no time left. So first, I'm gonna show my ballerina clothes. What I like, literally both. And then my mom is gonna like come here, and then she's gonna show her outfit what I bought. All our stuff is in dead bag. It does. It's very easy. I bought this at the mall for like it was surprise. That stuff is very easy in there. So I'm gonna go dress up and she's gonna show you guys her outfit and then she's gonna like go try hers on first. So I'm gonna get back to I don't know what's